Ladies and gentlemen, will they, won't they? Things getting interesting on the cricket pitch. Actually, off it, we are getting exclusive details of the meeting between the PCB and the ICC. Sources are telling us that the ICC has now rejected Pakistan's demand. You remember, the Pakistan Cricket Board had urged the ICC to ask India to engage in bilateral cricket with Pakistan. The ICC rejected the request, saying that bilateral engagement does not fall within its jurisdiction, including during the World Test Championship cycle. The ICC has now given the PCB a day. As Mohsin Naqvi said, he wants to consult Pakistan's Prime Minister. The meeting is expected to happen anytime now. The announcement by the ICC could happen today, is what we are being told. If not tonight, then possibly tomorrow morning. The PCB has also demanded that the ICC must allot a compensatory ICC tournament to Bangladesh, as last year's Women's T20 World Cup was shifted out of Bangladesh to Dubai due to civil riots there. Let me go straight across to my colleague Karishma, who is joining us on the broadcast. Karishma, the more you see the details that come out from this PCB meeting with the ICC, the more you feel that Pakistan is being a bit delusional. But first things first, can I ask you whether a decision has been taken in principle by Pakistan that they will play in the upcoming World Cup? Because if they don't,
Well, Shreya, the final decision only Mohsin Naqvi and the Prime Minister of Pakistan know, and hopefully they make it clear very, very soon. But what we are given to understand from our sources and what's been happening over the last few days, it was the PCB that reached out to the International Cricket Council after the ICC sent in detail 10 points that we had accessed to the PCB, explaining why force majeure will not be applicable and what could be the implications of this particular boycott that they are planning to do on the 15th of Feb. Now, what we're given to understand is that PCB in that particular meeting firstly asked that the Bangladesh Cricket Board not be penalized. ICC had already decided on the same. Then they went on to say that the BCB should be given an ICC tournament. They have the World Cup in 2031, but they could also be given another tournament, which is the Under-19 World Cup in the next cycle. Then came the surprising demand of bilateral with India and even a tri-series between Bangladesh, Pakistan and India, which of course India will never agree to, and ICC also rejected it, saying that it is not their domain to deal with bilaterals or a tri-series. They can only talk about the ICC tournament. So obviously a lot has been said now. The tickets haven't been opened, Shreya. They were opened very, very early when the first phase of ticketing had opened. But let's also think about those fans who must have booked their travel and would be wanting to watch this match. What happens to them as well? That is also one reason why there needs to be clarity, whether you are playing, not playing. And now it is the PCB that needs to come out with the response, because ICC has gone to Lahore, met them in person, explained them everything that they could. Now they have to come up with a decision very, very soon.
But the optics are amazing, Karishma. You have the Bangladesh Cricket Board telling the Pakistan Cricket Board that no, you should be rethinking and you should be playing in the tournament. Kya chal raha hai? Anyway, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much. Let's move on, ladies and gentlemen.